You thought the bike itself was the pinnacle of luxury? Think again. What if I told you there are motorcycle accessories out there worth more than the bike you're riding? I'm talking titanium-infused helmets, diamond-stitched saddlebags, GPS systems worth more than a car, and gear crafted with materials used in space tech. This isn't just about going fast, it's about riding in style, making a statement, and stepping into a lifestyle where every mile screams prestige. Welcome to the world of the most expensive motorcycle accessories you won't believe exist. Stick around till the end, because the final item isn't just luxury, it's legendary. 1. Harley RX-7V RC Carbon Helmet, $4,000 plus. Let's start at the top, literally. The Harley RX-7V RC is the Rolls-Royce of helmets. Hand-built with Formula 1 grade carbon fiber, it's not just light, it's featherweight. Every helmet takes nearly 18 hours to craft, and each one is tested for perfection. It offers aerodynamic balance, unmatched safety, and prestige you can feel the moment it's on your head. Why settle for average when your mind deserves the best protection available on two wheels? 2. Vintage crocodile leather saddlebags, $5,500. Accessories aren't just about function, they're about fashion. These handcrafted crocodile leather saddlebags scream status. Imported leather. Custom brass fittings. And yes, it's all legal and ethically sourced. They're not just bags, they're conversation starters. And when you're living the high-end moto life, everything you carry reflects your style. But wait till you see what's hiding behind your wheels. 3. 24K gold-plated motorcycle chain, $6,000. Yes, you heard that right. A motorcycle chain, plated in 24K gold. Why? Because true opulence pays attention to every detail, even the one spinning at 100 miles per hour. Beyond the shine, it's engineered to withstand extreme torque and heat. Luxury isn't just beautiful. It's built to last. From golden motion to glowing vision, get ready for the future of lighting. For B-Line Moto Metal Edition GPS, $700. Navigation never looked this classy. The B-Line Moto Metal Edition is carved from aircraft-grade aluminum and designed to be minimal yet mighty. With a smart interface, turn-by-turn simplicity, and a battery that lasts weeks, it's built for the modern luxury rider who doesn't compromise on aesthetics or performance. Now that you're on track, let's turn up the volume, luxury style. 5. Bang & Olufsen Motorcycle Sound System, $8,000 plus. Imagine high-fidelity audio precision tuned for speed. This B&O system isn't your average sound kit. It's engineered to compete with the roar of a V-twin engine and still deliver crystal-clear symphony. Each system is custom-fit, tuned to your ride, and backed by the legendary Danish audio legacy. Feel every beat of your playlist as if it were riding with you. But the real flex? What's under your gloves? 6. Klim AI-powered airbag riding suit, $1,500 to $2,000. When luxury meets safety, innovation is born. The Klim AI-1 riding suit features built-in airbags controlled by real-time AI monitoring. It can detect a crash and deploy protective cushions before you even hit the ground. Think of it as wearing a luxury guardian angel, tailored to your body. Safety has never looked so sharp or felt this smart. And speaking of sharp, check out this next piece of fire. 7. Custom Fireblade Exhaust System, $12,000 plus. Crafted from aerospace-grade titanium and hand-tuned for specific bikes, this custom exhaust isn't just about power, it's about pure sonic seduction. The growl it produces? Deep, raw, intoxicating. It transforms your ride into an opera of horsepower. This is what luxury sounds like when the road becomes your stage. But now, let's slide into elegance you can feel. 8. Diamond-stitched Alcantara seat, $3,000 plus. You don't ride a throne, you sit on one. And this diamond-stitched Alcantara seat proves it. Each stitch is done by hand. Each ride, an experience in comfort and luxury. Alcantara is used in Lamborghinis and private jets, so why shouldn't it be on your two-wheeled beast? You've got the seat, the ride, the roar, now imagine lighting up your path in a way no one else can. 9. Lux Motorcycle Light Kit, $2,000 to $3,500. These aren't just lights, they're a full-spectrum aura. With programmable LEDs, wireless control, and over 16 million colors, this light kit turns your ride into a rolling nightclub. They respond to your speed, sync with your music, and transform ordinary night rides into electric dreams. And finally, the ultimate piece. Not just an accessory, but an icon of wealth and rebellion. Are you ready? Movie camera, final accessory, the cliffhanger, 14 to 1500 hours. 10. The Neiman Marcus Limited Edition Motorcycle Accessory Set, $80,000 plus. This isn't just one accessory, it's a statement set. Commissioned by Neiman Marcus, this ultra-limited edition package includes a customized helmet, jacket, boots, GPS unit, and a signature key, all encrusted with rare stones and precious metals. Each set is built for the elite few. Think James Bond meets billionaire biker. Only a handful exist, and each tells a story of exclusivity and unmatched taste. Is it practical? Maybe not. But is it unforgettable? Absolutely. So what do these accessories really represent? Not just wealth, but freedom, attention to detail, and a passion to live beyond limits. Because when you